Welcome back, guys, to the Obscure channel. Today we have a quick tutorial for you guys on how you install your Assetto Corsa mods into Content Manager. So first of all, please start by go ahead and installing Content Manager for Assetto Corsa. It's a pretty easy install, honestly. All you got to do is basically just give it access to your Assetto Corsa directory, which honestly is either found in your C or D drive. Or you can go to Assetto Corsa on Steam, right click, go to manage, and then browse local files. That bring you right to your directory, and then you can just path it to Content Manager. So first, that's the first at hand, Content Manager and your directory. Second, make sure you guys download WinRAR. I'm going to put the link into the description for everything that I'm going to be telling you to install. So make sure you have WinRAR and Content Manager. They're both safe apps. Content Manager is used for Assetto Corsa and getting into your mods easily and getting into online servers easily, as you can see right here. And WinRAR is just used to extract files on your computer easily. Alright, so third, after that, what you want to do is obviously go download a Assetto Corsa mod. Usually RACEDEPARTMENT has some really good Assetto Corsa mods, and they're safe because it downloads directly from their website or from a Google Drive. So perfectly fine. Or AssettoCorsaMods.net. I'll put the link in the description for you guys for a couple good of the Assetto Corsa mod websites. So we're gonna go ahead and start. So first of all, you're gonna get your Assetto Corsa download. Also do some really good tracks, really good drift tracks if you guys want to. And that's a really good drift car pack, the WDT Street Pack. We also have a Discord you can join with their Discord servers. I will also put that in the description. I'm gonna put two Discord servers for you guys in the description: the Gravy Drift Garage and the WDT server. So so you're gonna download a file. This has this logo next to it because I have WinRAR installed into my computer. So next, you're going to press show in folder, which it'll show you it in the folder. And then of course you right click, you go to open with WinRAR. This is just how I usually do it. Press back and then right click and you extract. But to make extracting the file easier, what I usually do is first make a new folder onto my desktop. You right click on your desktop and open space on your desktop and go to folder. Name the folder mods or just a random name, just so I can extract my files directly to a folder instead of extracting them into another place. I just extract them right into a folder. So what you do, right click, you extract to a specified folder, or Alt E. You go over to the plus sign at desktop and then pick whichever folder you would like, and you extract it into the folder. I'm just gonna do it again. Then after that, close WinRAR, go to the folder, and then find whatever you extracted into the folder. Then open up Content Manager also with whatever you downloaded. I'm just gonna put in Archfield. Oops. Gonna put in Archfield, just literally drop it in the Content Manager. You're gonna see this icon at the top. That's mean it's downloading, and you press install. And it's that easy. And you literally do that for the car mods, for the track mods. Literally you do that for everything. Just drop it in the Content Manager and it makes everything so freaking easy. And like I said before, to get to your main directive for Assetto Corsa, if you like to do it the hard way, because some tracks and some add-on mods do want you to just do it manually instead of just dropping it in the Content Manager. So what you do, you obviously just go to Assetto Corsa on Steam or wherever you bought it from, manage, browse local files, and it'll bring you directly to your directory, and then you would press tracks well, I have a lot of different mods inside mine, but you will go to content, and then you would either if it's a car, you go inside cars, put it into cars. If it's a track, go inside tracks and drop it into the tracks. Pretty self-explanatory. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of it for today. Just want to give you guys a quick how-to on how to install your Assetto Corsa mods, and it's really that easy. Just guys, remember to extract your files before you install them into Content Manager, or even before you put them into your main directory of Assetto Corsa. So that's gonna be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember, keep driving.